Okay, so my paper has a right side and a wrong side. So I'm going to put the right side, the pattern side down, and I'm going to fold this piece of paper diagonally. Next thing I'm going to do is bring the corners up to the center point. Like this. Then I'm going to take this corner, I'm going to line it up with the side of that diamond. 1, 2. This next fold is called a squash fold. So it's a little easier if you open all these folds out and fold this flap back the other way. Then I'm going to lift this up and squash it down. Okay, so again on the other side, folding this little triangular flap the other way. Just makes the squash a little easier to do. Opening that up, squashing it flat. Now I'm going to take these triangles that are sticking out and fold them down. And then the last step is to fold everything back up into that diamond shape. Now I'm going to take my glue stick. I'm going to glue this flap. And I'm going to curl this around and put those two triangular flaps together with the glue. Okay, so here I have 5 finished pieces. So the next step is really quite simple. We're just going to join all the pieces together. So I'm going to put some glue along this folded edge and begin sticking those together. Again, you could clamp this with some clips, or you can just hold it for a minute while the glue dries. And I'm going to repeat that until all of the pieces are stuck together. Okay, so here are 4 that are stuck together. Now I'm just going to add glue to both sides of this last piece. I'm just going to put my fingers in there and stick the sides together. Okay, the very last step if you want to add a stem to your flower. This is a piece of florist wire, and all I've done is make a little U at the top, a little bend. Then we're going to take this button. I'm going to thread the wire down through there. Slide the button up. Then if you want to, you could put a little glue on the back of the button. But this will just slide right down into the middle of your flower, make a center, and give it a stem so that you can put it in a vase or a jar.